Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a quick system health check using a built-in Windows tool called SFC, or System File Checker. SFC can be a lifesaver if you're experiencing weird crashes, bugs, or unexpected behavior in Windows. What is SFC scannow? SFC scans all your protected system files. Think core window components and checks for corruption. If it finds any wonky files, it replaces them with fresh copies from a special window cache. Use cases. Unexplained crashes. If your PC crashes randomly, SFC might identify corrupted system files causing the instability. Windows app issues. Some Windows apps rely on specific system files. If those files are damaged, the app might malfunction. Blue screens of death. Sometimes blue screens of death can be caused by corrupted system files. SFC can potentially fix those underlying issues. How to use SFC scannow. Alright, here's how we're actually going to run SFC. First, we're going to open Command Prompt as administrator. We will launch this by pressing Windows key and R at the same time. This will result in the Windows Run dialog opening. From here, we will just type CMD. We will then press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter. This causes Command Prompt to be run as an administrator, giving it authority to write to disk instead of just being able to read. Now, type the following command exactly. SFC /scan now. Press Enter and let the machine do its thing. Please don't close Command Prompt while the scan runs. It might take a while, so just grab a drink and relax. Understanding the results. Once the scan finishes, you'll see one of 4 messages. Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. Congratulations, your system files seem healthy. Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them. This isn't ideal, but there's a solution. We'll need to use a more robust tool called DISM to repair the Windows image. I can show you this process in a different video. Windows Resource Protection could not perform the requested operation. This is less common, but it might indicate deeper system issues. If you see this, it's best to back up your data and consider a Windows reinstall. And then the fourth outcome, Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. SFC is a handy tool to keep your Windows system files in tip-top shape. Remember, it's not a cure-all, but it can often resolve those pesky system glitches. If you have any questions about SFC, please feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for hanging out today, and I hope you have a lovely rest of your day.